sa tulong ng kanilang bagong import na si Alex Stephenson. Umaasa si Meralco Bolts head coach Norman Black na malaki ang maitutulong nito sa kupunan sa pagbubukas ng 42nd season ng PBA Commissioner's Cup. Ang buong detalye sa report ni Maria Isabel Reyes.
All set na ang Meralco Bolts sa kanilang Commissioner's Cup debut kontra Mahindra Floodbuster. Ibinahagi ni Meralco head coach Norman Black ang kanilang naging preparasyon para sa papalapit na import-laden conference. Magsisilbing opening salvo ng 42nd season PBA Commissioner's Cup ang harapan ng Floodbuster at Bolts.
Well, we've been working very hard during the off-season to try to play a lot better than we did in the All-Filipino. Been practicing for about 3.5 weeks now after our break and just hoping to get off to a good start against Mahindra.
Tinutukan naman ni Black ang preparasyon ng kanilang American import, kung saan umaasa siyang malaki ang maiaambag ng 6'10" foreign reinforcement sa kupunan.
Alex, we're still trying to get him in better shape. He's a very good player, but he broke his hand a couple of months before he came to the Philippines when he played in China, and he didn't have a chance to really run and stay in shape or play games. So I think his first practice in a couple of months was actually here in the Philippines a couple of weeks ago. So he's only been here 2 weeks. He's moving better every day. He's getting stronger every day. And hopefully once we get him in shape, he'll help us out a lot.
Hindi nakuha ng Bolts si former ComScup best import Arinze Onwaku dahil sa kasalukuyan pa itong naglalaro sa NBA Orlando Magic. Pinuri naman ni Stephenson ang kakayahan ng legendary coach na magiging malaking tulong umano sa kanyang improvement bilang import.
You know, he's a legend out here, so he really gives me great tips and helpful tricks to try to, be the best player I could be.
Dagdag pa niya, excited siya sa kanyang PBA debut at umaasang makukuha ang kanilang unang panalo sa conference. Makakaharap ng Bolts ang Mahindra sa Biyernes alas 4:15 ng hapon sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.